I promised you guys, let me show y'all. We had so much rain, y'all. But look at look what we got. Do y'all see that? Look here. That's my harvest. Harvest. Swiss chard, green beans. And these are the cucumbers. So this bag does do well, y'all. The bag does do well to cover things up because it leaves that moisture in there. And then let me show y'all. It's super wet back here, but the grass looks good. The impatiens are coming up. Do y'all see that? And look at that. Let me show y'all. These ain't, the impatiens here have been coming up. I think I need to put that in the sun, but they coming up here. You guys see the impatiens coming up right around here? All right, hold the line. Hey guys, I'm back. Happy Monday. I had to lock the garage and all that good stuff, but let's get our tea or our water or our smoothie or our coffee or whatever. Tea time. So anyway, guys, we're going to talk about renewing of your mind. Everybody says they want to change, they want to do better, but it only can happen if you renew your mind, the way that you think, your thinking pattern, and you have to isolate yourself from this world, meaning you can be in the world, but you can't be of the world, meaning you have to do the opposite of what you see and what you are exposed to every day. Okay, that is a form of change. And renewing of your mind, your thought pattern, everything that you think that is negative, you have to turn it for positive. I'm gonna drink to that and then I'm parched. But yeah, renewing of your mind. Get yourselves together in here. It helps, it works. I mean, it's not for everybody, but just that's one of the steps that you can try. And yeah, get that under your belt and I think we'll be okay. But guys, I'm getting ready to head out. I gotta go to work, but today I'm going to go get spray paint for the beads. And then I also showed you guys how I took the wrapper off of the that smoky, whatever that candle was that I had on one of the bedside tables, but I ended up putting it in the office. I took the plastic off of that. That is an amber glass. I'm going to be using that as a flower pot. Guess what I'm saying? Like, use what you have. You don't have to go out and buy stuff. You don't have to go out and buy stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do with that. And then I'll show you guys what I'll do with the piece of wood that you stick onto the cap that was actually on top of the candle. So guys, I will see you guys later on today once I'm off work. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye. Stopped in my Home Depot. Look at this. $138 for this, what I used to get for $1. They know they tripping. They're trying to take all of our money, right? All of it. But yeah, I'm in Home Depot and I'm getting the spray and I'm gonna get one bag of mulch and I'll be going back home. I'll see you guys later. I know I couldn't leave without checking out the plants. They got mother's tongue. They got, look at these Philly figs. What is that? That's a prayer plant. I don't see any, I see no, and they got the succulents. I see no presence of Z plants. Yeah, it's just succulents. Let's see what else they got over here. And then they got this few stuff here. What are these? Okay, $9.98 for some. That's still a little bit expensive for me. And then they have these, same from last time, and they're still $16. No ma'am, no ma'am. Alright guys, I think it's about 4 o'clock now, but I'm going to show y'all something that when I what was it that I did? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Oh, this here. This is my amber glass. I'm going to use this. I think I told y'all for a flower pot. So this will be going probably in the back on the stand back there. But guys, look what ended up happening. These bad boys. These boys. Not saying bad, but look what they did. So I got my piece of split leaf Swiss cheese monstera. Hopefully it'll grow. Let me know in the comments if y'all ever did this, because like right here on the stem, right here, it looks like there was another piece. If you can see, like right there coming. So hopefully this will root. I'm hoping and praying that it will, because then I have another plant. What is going on with my? I have a zit. Oh my God, I have a zit. I haven't had zit in years. But yeah, wanted to show you guys this. And then these pieces here. You can always use this for stuff, y'all. So this had the threshold. It was like, and you could just take, hold on, I can't use both hands, but hold on, let me see if I can show y'all. You can just take this. Can y'all see me? Okay, you can just take this off, and I'm gonna throw this away. Going to recycle. You can do this. So I've done this with other ones. So you can use this to, you know, put it on something so you can't see it. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're gonna get ready to spray paint our thing here. So I wanted to show y'all how it looks so far. It did stick since this morning. I left here like around 7:40, so it is stuck a little bit. And I just lit that, but it's really stuck with that glue. So this is really cute, y'all. I could not part with this. I just kept saying, once that candle was burned out, I kept thinking, what in the world can I do with this? Because y'all, I love this. Remember, I thought I got this for $1 at the bins. This is so unique, and it's made in India, and I just love the texture. I love the texture of it and how it just has the whites, and it just blends with the texture in this. So beautiful. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to spray our beads, okay? We're gonna go get ready to take care of our bead project, so hold the line, please. Also, I wanted to show you, I'm taking this outside and I'm gonna spray it with this. I'm gonna use this same glue that I used for the thing I just glued together. I'm gonna use this Fabri-Tac glue. I'm just gonna put some on here. When it dry, I'm gonna spray it with this white spray paint. I'm gonna see if I can do like maybe a picture of a face or a silhouette of something, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna spray it this one time, and then I'm gonna spray it another time. This is supposed to be fast drying, so we'll see. Uh-oh. Stay put. So we'll come back and we'll finish it off. Can y'all see it? Okay. I'm back. We're gonna head into the family room so I can show you guys how far I got with the how far I got with the painting. So let me turn it around. So here's the painting. I did spray the whole thing white, so I know I'm gonna have to go over it again, but I just wanted to use that spray paint. Like I said, I have a little bit of this gray left over, and I have some of this black to trace something, and then I'm going to outline it with this gold pen, but we'll probably work on that tomorrow. So let me just go ahead, close out this video, and then I'll show you guys how that stand looks with the bowl and the beads. So guys, thanks for tuning in today. I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into all my videos for the last couple of days. Glad you enjoyed them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. So hold the line, and then I'll show you guys how that looks.